If you own a staffing company, a recruiting agency, and you've been doing contingency for quite some time, and you're just sick and tired of the low-hanging fruit recs that you get, all the headaches that you go through with candidates backing out, with clients ghosting you after you and your team have put time and money into their searches. This was me many years ago. If you've had enough of all that, I want you to consider retained search. So what is retained search? In its simplest form, think about how attorneys charge their billing structure. You are essentially an attorney working within the staffing industry. You get a payment up front before you commence the search. This causes so many benefits and advantages with your relationship, not only with your candidates, but most importantly, with your clients. You see, when your clients give you money up front, they put value in you and your search firm from day one. You now can feel good about what you're doing. You can feel good about spending dollars and finding A-player candidates. You can feel good about working past 6 p.m. at night, coming in on Saturdays and Sundays to find this candidate because your client is so bought in, they're invested up front. They're not using any other staffing organizations but you. You automatically get the exclusive when a client agrees to pay you a search fee of $50,000 and more, sometimes exceeding $100,000 depending on the skill set and role. And then you get 1/3 of that payment on day one. They ACH the funds to you and you start your work. If you're watching this video and you're thinking there's no way this can happen, I'm living proof of this happening, okay? And I can show you plenty of examples of retained searches that I have won. I can show you checks that I received on day one of 1/3 of the payment. There's a video on YouTube where I share my $100,000 retained search that I hunted for through our Liga system that we created for our members. And I closed that deal and achieved a search fee of $100,000. And I got $33,000 on day one to start the search. So if any of this excites you, if you're thinking to yourself, how do I do this? You're in good hands. So with Recruitemy, we have a package called the Retained Membership or Package, where we give you everything you would need to start a retained search business model where you can make $1 million or more a year with this structure and model. So we give you the templates, the process, the system, and this is much different than what you're currently doing and what you've been used to with contingency staffing. Keep that in mind. But the good news is this is much more sophisticated. It's less headaches, and it's working less hours to achieve a lot more gain and money, which in result betters your lifestyle. So if you want to learn more information, please look below. Go to recruitemy.com, fill out an application, and schedule a demo with me or one of my associates, and we'll go from